I need to give the description. Remember, from your side, whenever you are creating anything, you need to mention your all descriptions. మీకు ఏది వచ్చినా సరే మీరు తెలుగులో రాసినా నాకు ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, బట్ యూ నీడ్ టు గివ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్స్. నేను అది చూస్తా. ఎవ్రీ సాటర్డే ఐ చెక్ యువర్ ఆర్గ్. Every Saturday I'll check your org book. I'll check whatever the things you are doing. Okay. Any doubts clear? Okay. Click on next. Okay. So did I created custom tab? I given a name. I've selected the object. Okay. Second step. What is that? So here you are seeing one option. See here. Second step ఏంటండి? Add to profiles. Add to profiles. Now tell me our user story. What it is mentioning? This object should be seen only sales representative. This object should be accessible only to sales representative. So that is sales representative is nothing but profiles. Sales representative is nothing but profiles. So here add to profiles. So what you do? You need to give access to sales representatives. And then so before doing this one, you have two options here. First one, see here, apply one tab visibility to all profiles. So he is asking the tab which you are going to create should be visible to everyone or not. He is asking. Default on means what? It will be visible to everyone. It will be visible to everyone. How it will be visible? How it will be visible means default and it is how it will be visible ante ఎవరు లాగిన్ చేసినా ఐదర్ సర్వీస్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్, సేల్స్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్, క్లౌడ్ యూజర్, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ యూజర్, అనలిటిక్స్ యూజర్, లైసెన్స్ యూజర్, చార్టర్ యూజర్, ఎవరైనా సరే any one person who are going to log into Salesforce, if you give access to the tab as a default on, then that tab will be shown here. The tab will be shown here. This is called tab bar. This is called tab bar. వాళ్ళు మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసిన టాబ్స్ అన్ని ఇక్కడే కనబడతాయి. మీరు డిఫాల్ట్ ఆన్ పెడితే ఏమవుతుందండి? వాడికి ఇక్కడ కనబడుతుంది, వాడికి ఇక్కడే కనబడుతుంది, ఈ టాబ్ బార్ లో కనబడుతుంది వాడికి. ఓకే, డిఫాల్ట్ ఆన్ పెడతారు. ఎనీ డౌట్స్? ఓకే. Then if I choose default off, what it will?
Only private.
నేను ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చిన యాక్సెస్ డిఫాల్ట్ ఆఫ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది చూడు, ప్రతి ఒక్క ప్రొఫైల్ కి ఎవ్రీ వన్ ప్రొఫైల్ ఇస్ డిఫాల్ట్ ఆఫ్. ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ ప్రొఫైల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిఫాల్ట్ ఆఫ్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఎవరికి కనిపించదు. ఎక్కడ కనిపించదండి? they will not able to see on the tab bar itself. They will not able to see in the tab bar itself, but they can go to tab. How they will go? They will go with the plus symbol. If you click on plus symbol, there they will see it. Any doubts still here? Okay. There is another option here, tab hidden. What is meant by tab hidden? వాళ్ళకి ఇప్పుడు వరకు ఏమైందండి? డిఫాల్ట్ ఆన్ మీన్స్ వాట్? it will be shown to every profile on the tab bar itself. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, డిఫాల్ట్ ఆన్ అంటే ఏంటి? The tab will be shown on the tab bar itself for every profile. If you choose default off, all profiles will have access to the tabs, but the tabs will not be shown on tab bar. Where it will be shown? It will be shown in all tabs. It will be shown in all tabs. Any doubts here? Then what is meant by tab hidden? Tab hidden is nothing but this tab will be hidden to all profiles. It will not shown in tab bar and it will not shown in also all tabs also. It will not shown in all tabs also. Any doubts here? So what should I do? First I'll give default of a tab hidden petala. So now user story enti. What is my user story? This tab should be accessible by only sales representative. So can I keep default of a tab hidden to any other profile? So first what I do, I will keep default off to all. No, I'll keep tab hidden to all. I'll keep tab hidden to all. Okay, everyone is tab hidden. Now see here, is my sales representative is also tab hidden? So will he able to use that tab? No. What should I do? Default off. I need to default off. It should be shown to him. Default on na. It should be default on. So malli nenu vachi default on petala ikkada. What is happening here? Andarki help. So what I'll do is first I'll go with tab hidden to every profile. Then there is another option here. Apply a different tab visibility for each profile. So whatever the profile I want, I can give different type of things for them. So click on this one. Okay. Then what should I do? Select the sales representative. Sales representative. Then what should I do? What should I do?
Select all in the drop.
Default on. I need to click on default on. If I click on default on, what will be happen? Where he will see? In the tab bar. He will only see the tabs which has been given access to it on the tab bar itself. If I keep default off, what will be happen? He need to open. He can access the tab, but from all tabs, not from the tab bar. Any doubts here? Okay. Next ఏం చేయాలండి? Click on next. అంతేనా? Okay. So third one. What is the third step? See here. Add to customers. Okay. That the tab which we am creating, the tab which I am creating, can be shown in all applications. It should be present in all applications. For which application we have created tab? CG Sales Cloud. Okay. So that's why what I'll do is I will first remove this one. I will uncheck all. Okay. For which application I need to get access? Okay. Go here. Where is the CG sales? CG SMB sales? Idanandi? Okay. Okay. So here, do I am creating classic version and lightning version? I'm using classic and lightning. So I need to give classic version I have given. For lightning also I need to give access. I need to give access for lightning also. So what should I do? I have already updated the application there. So I need to give access to lightning also. I need to give access to lightning also. So click on lightning. Any doubts still here? Now click on save. Now my custom objects and custom object tabs has been created. Okay. On which application it has been given access? I'm in which application, bro? Do I'm seeing anything here? Do I'm seeing anything here? Clear? Now go to your CG sales. What is the mistake I have done? Can anyone tell me? I have done one mistake here. Can anyone tell me why it is not showing to me? Okay, Inka. So guys, I have done a mistake. What is the mistake? Can anyone tell me? If anyone tell me, I'll give you a Dairy Milk Silk, bro. Just try from your end. I'm not saying you will say a correct answer. Just try from your end. What are the mistakes I have done? Think. What is the mistake I have done? నేను ఓపెన్ చేసినాక నేను సిల్క్ ముందే చెప్తున్నా. What is the mistake I have done, bro?
Description.
I think you have not given the description, I think.
It is not related to description. Okay. If it is not related to description.
There is one drop down you haven't selected, I guess.
What is the mistake I have done? Which profile it is hidden? So system administrator, it is hidden. So that's why it is not shown me. Okay. అర్థమైందా? Any doubts still here? I need to give access to sales representative, but I need to give access to system administrator also always. Okay, I need to give access to system administrator always. So that's why I forgot to give system administrator there. So that's why it is not came there. Now see here, after giving permission to system administrator, directly it is showing me on tab bar. Any doubts still here? అర్థమైందా అండి? Any doubts? Guys, everyone is clear? Navya, this is clear for you? Sai Kiran, Gopi, Priya,
Yes.
Vishal.
Yes, sir.